guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ling, and we're back with another video. Feel me? Before we even get into the video, like before we even go over there, make sure you guys go and show some love and hit the subscribe button for me, please. Thank you very much. You didn't hit it, go hit the button. As you guys can tell from the title, today I'm going to be dermaplaning. I don't know, it be sounding and spelled differently. I don't know, like dermaplaning, I don't know, but basically I'm gonna be shaving my face. Why I'm doing this, I don't really know, because some people are saying it doesn't make a difference. Some people say like it does make a difference, like your skin looks really nice and clear and like glistens in the sun. And honey, I want that like golden hour glow, feel me? Like, you know, like when the sun is like setting and you get like that nice orange tint, I want that nice glow. And also, if it can get rid of these like little marks that were left from that stupid mask, then I'm all for it. So I'm gonna be trying two different ways of shaving my face. So I've watched two different videos, and the first person was using olive oil, so I have olive oil, but it's like, I don't know how I feel about putting this on my face. And then the second person was using aloe vera gel. Now, if you've been a subscriber for a minute now, you know that I love aloe vera gel. Like, I use it on my face, I use it in my hair, like I literally love it. And I'm not talking about the little aloe vera gel that you buy in the bottle. I'm talking about aloe vera gel from the leaf, like pure aloe vera gel. So that's what I'm gonna be using on my face. I recommend that you use pure aloe vera gel for anything, just because when you buy it in the bottle, it be having perfumes in it to make it smell good. It be having food dyes, well, not food dyes, but dyes and coloring in it to make it green. Like, aloe vera gel is not even green, it's translucent, dummy. So why is the I'm gonna relax. But the point is, use pure aloe vera gel. I know that I'm really up close and personal, I'm sorry, but like, this puff looks crazy. Let me try to make it look even. But like, I just really want you to see everything going on. So this is my skin before. I have like this little blemish here because like I tried to pop it, she wasn't ready to be popped, so yeah. But this is what my skin looks like. It's not bad, but like I had clear skin before this whole pandemic, and then once I started wearing that mask, like she went out the window. Like, clear skin left the chat. She said deuces, I'll holla at you. But yeah, she's no longer here. So I'm really trying anything to like really get her back to par. So we're gonna try this today. I went to the 99-cent store and I bought this like face razor, eyebrow razor, whatever you want to call it. Everything I'm using will be linked down below, so yeah, make sure y'all go and click down below. Also, I am going to start doing shout outs at the beginning of my videos. I just want to see how that works, just because you guys have been engaging in my videos so much. I want to pay it back to y'all. So if you post a video on IG, Instagram, whatever you want to call it, I was about to say Instagram. If you post a video on Instagram and you tag me in it, if you're watching my video, I will pick 2 people to shout out at the beginning of my videos. If you want to be a part of that, make sure you guys do that. And yeah, so first things first, you want to wash your face. You don't want to, I don't know if you want to exfoliate or not, but I know that you do have to start on a clean face. So all I did was wash my face with a regular cleanser, and that's that. I didn't put any moisturizer on, any toner on, or nothing. It's just a bare, dry, clean face. So now I'm going to take the aloe vera gel, and I'm going to do it in sections, just because when I put aloe vera gel on my face every night, it does dry quickly. So I'm just going to put it on the area I'm working in, and then put more on as I like move on. And I really hope I don't cut my face, y'all, because I was watching a girl's video and she cut her face. And I don't need that to be me. Like, I got enough scars as it is. I don't need any more. Okay, I think that's a good amount. So I'm gonna turn sideways so you guys can see, but I do have a little mirror here. And you're supposed to like want to hold your skin, but because I'm holding the mirror and I'm holding this, I'm just gonna go like that. Or like either go like this or go like that. So one of the two. So like, can you guys see? I really hope I don't shave. You guys, imagine I cut my sideburns off. Oh my god, I barely have any. All right, let me stop playing around. Okay, so that was fast, quick, and easy. There's like dirt on here. You guys can, well, not dirt, but you know, hair and dead skin. That honestly didn't hurt. I feel like if you cut yourself, it's because you're probably trying to do it on dry skin. Like, if you want to go over an area, I feel like you do need to reapply the product, because doing it on dry skin, you definitely feel like the tension and the friction. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna apply more aloe, just because when I looked in the mirror, I saw that like I do still have some hair left over here. So I'm gonna go over it again, but I'm applying more aloe because, like I said, the last thing we want to do is cut this face. We had enough scars, honey. We don't need nothing else. And when people use the bottled aloe vera gel, they said that their skin started tingling. My skin is not tingling, so I don't know if that's because like I'm using pure aloe vera gel, but I just felt I should let y'all know. And I don't have a super hairy face, so I'm not expecting to see like mad hair, but I do have hair on my face. Everybody does. So I'm gonna do one half of my face with aloe vera gel and the other half with olive oil, and we're gonna see if there's a difference. Y'all, I really hope I don't mess with my eyebrows. Like, I feel like that's something I would end up doing, is accidentally slicing on my eyebrow. Well, not slicing it up, but you know, cutting it in a spot where it didn't need to be cut. Make sure not to cut my baby hairs, because that would be sad. I'm just taking my time, going really slow, because I barely have baby hairs, so I can't afford to lose any. See, I had a lot of hair on my forehead. You can definitely see it. You're gonna see it when I wipe it on the napkin. But best believe, a lot of hair just got removed. Can you see that? That's literally all hair. Okay, my eyebrow's still there, but you see, that's all like dirt and hair that came off my face. Okay, I don't really see people do their nose, but I don't know, like I really feel like my nose is an area I need to do, because okay, this area I'm kind of scared. We start here. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. But like I was saying, yeah, I feel like my nose is an area I need to do, just because there's no hair on my nose, but I do have like a lot of textured skin. And if this can help get rid of that, then I'm really all for it. Okay, so this is what the napkin is looking like right now. There's a big clump of hair there, and then there's like little hairs spread out. But this is what the side of my face is looking like. I'm not gonna lie, I do feel like she's glowing a little bit more, but I could just be being delusional, because I feel like when I convince myself of something that's not there, like I really believe it. So, but she does feel smooth. My nose feels smoother. Like, I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but like I don't like, it's not pimples, but like it's like texture on my skin. My nose is not running, by the way. That's more aloe vera gel, but like she's very much smooth. Okay, now we're gonna put olive oil on this side, see if there's a difference. I'm not gonna shave that, obviously, because I don't want myself to bleed. And also, if you have any like, let me get rid of this aloe vera gel. If you have any current breakouts that are like open or like waiting to be popped, or you just popped them, I don't recommend that you do this. Or if you do this, then definitely go around those problem areas, because you don't want to like cause yourself to bleed or make things worse. So yeah, I'm using Goya aloe oil. I know Goya's canceled right now, but it's the only oil I have in my house right now, so we're just gonna have to make her work. All right, I don't want to get this all over the place. Okay, I can kind of see why somebody would want to use olive oil. Like, it feels just a little bit more moisturizing. Like, you really feel it on your face, whereas with the aloe, you don't really feel it on your face. But let's see how it feels like when it comes to shaving it. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely feel more friction now that I'm using the oil. Yeah, I don't really see this taking off much hair, but I guess, all right, we're gonna do it on the forehead, because I think that's where it took off the most hair when I did the aloe. Okay, so I basically just did that whole side of my face, and let's see if like much hair comes off. Okay, so a little bit, but not really. I'm not gonna lie, I really don't like how the oil feels. Like, I might take it off and go back over this side with the aloe, because the oil just honestly feels like I'm just scraping a dry razor across my face. Like, I don't like how it feels at all. Okay, so I took most of the oil off, so I'm gonna go in with the aloe vera gel now. I don't know if there's like a certain number of times that you're allowed to go over your face before you start, you know, doing too much, but I really didn't like how the oil felt. Like, we gave her a shot, we tried and she wasn't it. So aloe vera is gonna come save the day as always. Do y'all see that? Look how much more came off. I don't know if it's because I started going downwards, but I didn't go downwards really on this side, and here came off. So I think the aloe vera is like definitely much better. So now I'm putting more aloe on my head, or my forehead, and we're gonna see if any new hair comes off. Yep, definitely. Like, why couldn't the oil take that off? Okay, so this is what our napkin is looking like right now. Okay, there wasn't really anything on there because it's still on my head. My eyebrows are still intact, thank God, because I thought I was gonna ruin them. So yeah, that's what that's looking like. Should I try to do this side again, going down? Let's see. Let's see if anything comes off. I feel like I'm starting to do too much now, but oh well, I don't gotta work tomorrow, so hopefully my skin don't look crazy. But I just want to make sure I'm doing it correctly. So I'm gonna go downwards. Yeah, you definitely have to go downwards. And you get way more hair to come off. Okay, let's see if anything comes off. Yeah. It wasn't too much hair, but it was still hair. So I think we're about done. I do feel like my skin looks bright, I'm not gonna lie. So here's the thing. If you're gonna reuse this, then you need to clean it off with alcohol the minute you finish using it. But if you're gonna just throw it out, then toss it out and buy a new one next time you do this. I'm gonna go clean mine with alcohol and I'll be back. Okay, so I went and got a face rag and I put it under really hot water. And now I'm just gonna hold it on my face. This feels so good, you guys, like literally so good. It feels like I'm getting a massage, except I'm doing it to myself. But I can see why people pay hundreds of dollars for face massages because this feels amazing. So I'm just gonna wipe off any excess oil or aloe vera that I have on my face. When you do this, you don't want to like wash your face or like exfoliate or do anything to it for like the next 24 hours. Just because you really just scrape that top layer of skin off. You guys, why do I look lighter? Like I look like I'm glowing. Oh my god. I'm probably being delusional. Y'all probably think I look the same, but to me I feel like I'm seeing something. I don't know. Just let it air dry real quick before we put a moisturizer on, or like you can put any type of moisturizer on. So I'm going to be using raw African shea butter because my face loves this stuff. As you guys can see, I'm about to run out. Like I love this stuff, but you can put rose water spray, rose oil, like rose hemp seed oil, like any oil or moisturizer that you normally use for your face that your skin really loves, that you normally use at nighttime. I would definitely recommend that you put that on because your skin needs a little moisture, because my skin feels dry, not gonna lie. My nose feels so soft though. Oh my god. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really, really, really thick. Like she's thicker than a Snicker. I'm not gonna put a lot on, but just that much. If you use this stuff, you know that you gotta rub it in between your hands to melt it. So it's basically turning into like an oil. Some people like to put toner on when they finish this. However, they complain that it burns, and I just feel like, I don't know, you shouldn't be putting toner on. Like your skin is really sensitive right now. People who use aloe vera gel from the bottle complain that it burns. Notice I didn't complain at all about the aloe vera burning my skin or making it tingle or making it feel weird. So that's why I said I prefer that you use pure aloe vera gel from the leaf. But hey, that's just a personal preference. Okay, y'all cannot sit here and tell me that my skin does not look bomb. Like she literally looks bomb. Like I probably think, oh, because you just put that, you know, shea butter on, you're shining. But no, like I really feel like my skin looks better. Like I said, I'm probably being delusional. Y'all probably don't see nothing, but I really do feel like my skin looks better. And my skin does feel softer. But I know I had to pick up dirt because I did it on my nose, and my nose literally does not feel bumpy at all. So clearly it picked up something, scraped something off. So I'm definitely going to be doing this again. I don't know how often you're supposed to do it. Like probably like once a month or something, because I figure it's probably not going to shave your face every week or so. But yeah, I definitely recommend that you try this, and I definitely recommend that you use aloe vera gel instead of olive oil. But yeah, everything I use will be linked down below, even aloe vera gel in a bottle, just in case you can't put your hands on a leaf. Feel me? Like, they don't sell it everywhere. Like, they sell it a lot of places, but they probably don't sell it where you're at. So I'm gonna link it down below. Why is my family so loud? Like, why is my family so loud? But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment down below, like, if you ever done this before, or like more information about it, like how long you're supposed to, like, how often you're supposed to do it, products you may use that may work better than aloe vera gel, if it works for you, if it doesn't work for you, and you know, stuff like that. But until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.